Kingston in the yard. I don't know where he is, Kingston. I don't know. I don't know. He's not. I don't know. He's not. He's not there, Kingston. You're looking for your best friend, and you don't know where he is. I don't know. He's not there. He's on vacation. Come. See that? See that? Look. See, he didn't want to come. Come on. He's not there. He's up there. Come. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come. Kingston. He's not there. He's not there, Kingston. You're not. Why are you acting so stubborn? He's not there. You wait. He's not gonna come. Come, come on, come on, come on. He's not there. Come on, come on. You wanna miss your best friend? Oh, you wanna miss your best? He's on vacation, Kingston. He's not there. Okay. Is he gonna pee right there just to let him know? Huh? He's not there, Kingston. Okay, just gonna leave a mark to let him know. Okay, you're there. You still looking? Are you scratching? Yeah, you wanna take forever right here, right? Oh, come on, Kingston. Come on, Kingston. Come on, baby. So why you give me the stiff neck? That's it. He misses his friend. Are you gonna let go one in his yard and let him know you were here? No, I gotta take it up, not you. I gotta take it up. And make sure I left a little bitty one for his bestie. Alright. Kingston, come on, baby. He's not there. Okay. You get your friends on?